Hi, hello there. So, head starter, project for AI flashcards with Stripe. But here I added a little bit creativity. So, let me introduce, let me introduce my AI magic flashcards with Stripe. So, here you are given the input. You can imagine anything, just anything. Let's say this one. A cool boy with baggy jeans walking by subway and hit enter and let's wait. It will send the API request to OpenAI and DAL-E will generate the image. Let's wait. Yeah, here we go. We have an image here. Yeah, nice, cool. Okay, a cool boy with baggy jeans walking by subway. And when you click save, it will first upload it to Firebase storage and then get the download link and will be uploaded with the original prompt to Firebase Firestore. For example, it's done, and here you can see this image is already uploaded in the Firebase Firestore. For example, let's here in the flashcards. Yeah, and here in the storage you can see the images. Yeah. Okay, cool. And the interesting part here, you can expand. Yeah, you can expand, see the big version. And the most interesting part, you can guess the prompt. While guessing the prompt, you can earn some points. For example, I can guess man with blue jeans. Okay. A man with blue jeans. When I click enter, model GPT-4o will evaluate our guessed prompt with original prompt. For example, here you can see points received 3. It means your guessed prompt was 60% near to actual prompt, as you can see here. Yeah, and you received some points for guessing. For example, here you can see actual prompt: a cool boy with baggy jeans walking by subway, and your guess is man with blue jeans, and point received 3. You can also copy them. Yeah, and when you click on the eye icon, you can see just original prompt here. Yeah, here, for example, here, and also here. I already tried like a cyber girl in cyberpunk style, and my guess was a cyber girl. I got 6 points, pretty well. And here we have an account. When you click on the profile here, hit on the profile, you can see your profile, and you can refresh points. Yeah, here as you can see, points received 13. I just refreshed it, and my current plan is $10 for months. It's around 100 image generations. When you receive some points, you can spend these points for additional image generations, or you can also cash them out later. I will add this feature later. You can cash them out or just generate another images. Yeah, here you can see for example, Japan girl with white hair. This is a weird. I don't know why it's going down. I don't know. Crazy. If you know the reason, just make a pull request. This is a fully open source. Just make a pull request. I will review it and I will accept. Just feel free to make a pull request. Yeah, it's crazy. It's going down. Okay, let's compare. Okay. And here we go. We have point received 2. It means your guessed prompt was 60% near to actual prompt. Okay. Yeah, here is actual. Here is actual prompt. A cool girl with short gray hair at the street walking, and here our guess: a Japan girl with white hair, points received 2. How you can actually subscribe? It's really simple. Just hit over the. Let's first log out and log in. Sign in with Google. And from here choose your account. For example, let's see this account. Let's wait. I have logged in, and here I can see my profile, and you can see here subscribe button to get 100 generations for a month. And you just click on the subscribe and it will just open the Stripe. Stripe, and you can subscribe. Yeah, it's really simple. Let's test it out. For example, email and test card, any date, any future date, and a number. Let's see this and hit on subscribe. Let's wait. It's done. Okay, and here we can see, thank you for purchase. We have received your payment. You will receive an email with order details shortly. Okay, just click on the back to main page, and here now you can guess. You earn some points, and you can see the work profile, your current balance 10 USD. Let's try to guess one. A cyber girl. A cyber girl. Hit enter. Yeah, points received. It means your guess prompt was 70% near to actual prompt. Nice. Thank you everyone. See you. Goodbye.